Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize the way we tackle hair loss, the Capillus Pro Mobile Laser Therapy Cap for hair regrowth. With its clinically proven red light therapy technology, this cap claims to help both men and women fight hereditary hair loss, thinning, and receding hairlines. If you've ever considered laser therapy for hair regrowth, this product might just be on your radar. Now, let's get into the specifics of this treatment. The Capillus Pro features 272 red light lasers embedded in the cap, designed to stimulate hair follicles and encourage regrowth. It's clinically proven and FDA-cleared, meaning it meets medical standards for safety and effectiveness. The device uses red light therapy, a well-researched method known for its ability to promote circulation in the scalp and accelerate the healing process in hair follicles. What's interesting about this cap is that it's designed to fit comfortably on your head, with a laser flex inner fitting made from medical-grade silicone. This design aims to ensure maximum comfort while allowing for the efficient delivery of laser therapy. In fact, the treatment only takes 6 minutes per day, something that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. I was really curious to see how it felt and if the comfort was on par with its claims. I found the cap easy to put on and adjust, no tugging or discomfort. The silicone inner lining kept the cap snug without being too tight, and I could wear it comfortably while moving around the house. For me, the biggest factor was convenience. I didn't have to carve out too much time for my hair care routine. Just 6 minutes a day is all it takes for this cap to deliver its benefits. That said, the treatment sessions are quiet, but they do require a bit of patience. Unlike topical treatments, which can show quicker results, the benefits of laser therapy are gradual. I didn't expect to see dramatic changes right away, so I was realistic in my approach. However, after several weeks of use, I did start to notice some improvement in the texture of my hair. It felt thicker, with a little more volume in areas that were previously thinning. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons of the Capillus Pro Laser Therapy Cap. On the positive side, the convenience factor is a huge win. 6 minutes a day is manageable for most people, and you can do it anywhere, whether you're watching TV or getting other things done. It's also well built, with medical-grade materials used throughout, which adds to its credibility. The fact that it's FDA-cleared and recommended by physicians further reinforces its legitimacy. On the flip side, it's important to note that this device is an investment. While it offers impressive technology, the price point may be steep for some. Additionally, it requires consistent use over an extended period of time to see results, which means you'll need a bit of patience. Some users may prefer faster, more immediate solutions for their hair concerns. When it comes to value for money, the Capillus Pro is certainly an expensive option. However, if you've been struggling with hair loss for a while and haven't found a solution that works for you, this could be worth the investment. The technology behind it is sound, and the results, though gradual, can be worth the wait. If you're looking for a quick fix, this might not be your go-to, but if you're in it for the long haul, it's definitely a viable choice. There are certainly other alternatives on the market, such as the HairMax Laser Comb or Theradome, both of which also use red light therapy to stimulate hair growth. However, Capillus Pro stands out due to its comfortable design and the sheer number of lasers, 272, compared to some competitors. The price point, however, can vary quite a bit between brands, so if budget is a concern, there are cheaper options with fewer lasers or a less premium design. As for build quality, Capillus Pro is made in the USA, and that's a big plus. The materials are durable, and the product feels like it's built to last. I also appreciate that customer support is readily available, so if you have any questions or issues, you can count on them to address them promptly. Finally, if you're someone who has tried various hair growth solutions without success, this product might be a solid next step. If you're looking for a professional-grade, easy-to-use at-home treatment, the Capillus Pro might just be the answer. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box below. If you've used this laser cap, drop a comment and let me know your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.